Hi friends, today I am with the OPPO Enco W11 and this is the another TWS by OPPO company. If we talk about the features, it has a Bluetooth feature, 20-hour battery life, also enhanced bass, noise cancellation is also there while the calls, and it comes with the rating IP55 for water and dust resistant. It has an intelligent touch control. If we talk about the product here, you can see it looks pretty much gorgeous. It is very small unit, and if we take the wrapper here, the cabinet is very small, and these are the earbuds coming with the device. We will talk about the earbuds later on. In the box we are getting the quick start guide and the warranty card. The quick start guide is definitely useful, do check it out definitely. If we also check on the side, here we are getting some of the extra earbuds. So there are two pairs of earbuds given inside it, which you can insert in the earphone TWS, and also there is type C cable for charging. So it comes with the type C charging cable support. Now if we talk about the charging, here you can see there is a small dot, and I still don't know that you can figure out that dot or not. It is currently yellow color. It means that it is charging right now, but it will be green once it is full charge. If we see the functions here, there is a play pause function. There is also previous track function, next track function while listening the music. You can increase the volume, decrease the volume. You can answer or end the call, and also voice assistant is given. It comes with the inbuilt mic, and it has a Bluetooth 5.0 support. It has a range of 10 meters. It comes with a battery life of 20 hours, what the company is claiming. Here you can see how it fits in your ears. Now I will show you how it will connect. So just go to the Bluetooth, and once you go to the Bluetooth, you have to search for pairing, and once you search it, you will get the Bluetooth option where the device name will be OPPO Enco W11. It is very easy to pair. Once it is done, you can connect and play the songs. If you charge for 15 minutes, it can run up to 1 hour, what company is claiming. And if you charge full, both the earphones will run for 5 hours. Now I will play a Spotify song and show you some of the features what we have discussed. So if we tap on the left or right, it will just play or pause the song. So both will does the same thing. Here you can see I have just done the tap on the right side and it has been paused. So it is very easy, and you can again tap, it will start playing the song. If you double tap, it will go to the next track in the right. If I double tap on the left side, it will go to the previous track. If I press and hold the right side, the volume will increase, and if I press and hold the left side, the volume will decrease. This is definitely one of the useful feature what you can get in a small earbud. And there is also answer call or an end call. So you just have to do the double tap to answer the call or to end the call. Now if we talk about the voice assistant, it is very simple. You have to do the triple tap. So once you've done the triple tap, it will open Siri. If you are in an Android phone, it will open the Google Assistant. If you compare the W31 and W11, definitely W11 is small and a compact, lightweight. And if you want STEM kind looking, which is like Apple AirPods, you can go with OPPO Enco W31. OPPO Enco W11 is available only in white color and only on Flipkart for rupees 2500. So this is all about this in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.